Yay! We have our new gadget for vlogging. We bought this GoPro Hero 13 block. So I'm so excited, guys, because we have new gadget we can use for vlogging, for doing videos for our YouTube and Facebook, guys. So first things first, we're going to unbox this Hero 13 block. Okay, so as you can see, this is new. So this is the first time that I'm going to open it. I'm so excited. And also after we unbox it, we were going to unbox also the media mod. This is actually the body for this. So let's do it first. Okay? Excited? And also, yeah, before I forgot, we have this also, the Volta. Yeah, guys. So complete accessories. So yeah, you can use different lenses here. You can see it here at the in the box, and also we have a lot of feature also here. Yeah, the it also capture 5K 4K videos, and also slow mo. There's an available slow mo, and also it's GPS, you can put your location, and also it's waterproof, and there's a lot more, guys. Photo also, as you can see here. I hope you see it here. So yeah, they improved the quality. And also we have the old GoPro, the Hero 8 also, but we need to upgrade. We need to upgrade, that's why we bought this. So yeah, so we're going to open out the box. Okay. Ooh, wow. So GoPro, if you're listening, maybe you can give us some free. We were going to unbox and review. Yeah, so yeah, wow, nice, huh? Nice packaging, guys. It's very secure. Wow, all the pamphlets, all the reading materials here inside. Wow, nice. You can see. Smells new. First things first, we have the cable here. The cable included. This one, the handle. Yeah, okay. And this one, the screw here. We have one battery also, battery here, and this one, the hold, you can put the camera there, here. So yeah, and also the main part, the GoPro. It's written something there. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's remove this paper. Oops. Doesn't want to peel off. Let's remove. And also here. Wow. Nice. See? Also the lenses. The lens. Yeah. And this one also. New, nice, very, very nice. So excited to use this. And then the battery here. Oh, oops. battery here, battery side. Let's put the battery close. And also the lenses, we can change it. You can change it, guys. These lenses here, you know, there's a lot of different lenses that you can use. You can replace it. Okay, and on guys, let's on it. Yeah, okay, we need to set up this is, first you can see language, so you can set up. And now also there's butterfly here. This is where you can put it here like this. So before we use it, guys, maybe the battery is not full, so we need to charge it, and also we need to update this. And also this little screen here, when you are filming you can see yourself, but it's not touch screen, only this side. So here we are already have option GPS, so we can click on. So voice control, you know, before you use it you need to set up it first. So yeah, it's saying voice control, turn on the control your camera using your voice. On voice control language, so there's a different language you can click. So here SD card, we don't have SD card inside, that's why it's still X. And also this one, the battery check. See, like I'm telling you, the battery is not full, it's only have 22%. So I hope you can see it there. So later we need to charge it. And also we have 265 GB card, so we have a lot of memory space. And yeah, let's aside this, let's continue with the media mod. So let's continue unboxing the media mod. So okay, what we have here, oh, so the reading materials, also guides, warranty here, and also this, see, the case, the mic, and also this this one, you know, the screw, and this one also, yeah, and this one, the case with mic. Wow, okay, we have mic here. Basically this is the body for our GoPro. So yeah, it will go inside here, guys. There is a button here, and also there's another one here. Yeah, so I'm excited to use this here, you know, for the butterfly of the GoPro. It will go down there. Okay, so how it open, guys, it's like this. There's a clip here, open, it's easy to open and close. So we will put it inside the case. But before that, we need to remove the cover for the battery side. So like that, like this, and close it. Oh, do you hear that click? It's very, very nice. Oh, now we're going to on. Press here. Oh, this side. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We bought also the light. Actually, we bought it separately. So we have here the light. The light. So this is how you connect it here. You just need to slide it on the top part of the body of the GoPro. Just like that, easy. And then the on and off of the light, it's here. Here. You just need to press it on and press long press, or I think we need to charge the battery. We need to charge the light. See, there's a light now, so even it's dark we have a light. We have also the Volta. Yeah, this is a tripod and also battery, so we can put it like this, and we can put it like this, and also this one to attach here. Yes, to attach this one. And for the battery, if we're going to use the battery of the Volta. So the Volta, guys, is 3 battery combined. So yes, our Volta, the Volta is 3 battery combined, so it will last long. And also for the single battery, it will last, if you are shooting 4K, it will last 1 hour 45 minutes. So it's already long. But if you need extra, you can have the Volta. Extra life, battery lifespan. So yeah, that's it, guys, for today's unboxing of a GoPro. So it's a bit late unboxing because this is not the latest GoPro. So actually, guys, what I mean is this is not the latest for this year because it came out last year. Because GoPro, they should release this year 2025, but they move it next year 2026. So yeah, to be clear. But we are happy that we have the new gadget to film now. So yeah, I hope, guys, you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and wait for the videos that we are filming with this new GoPro 13. So yeah, that's it, guys. Bye.